Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 5th till the 11th of January 2026. Okay, roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story, honey. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below in the description box for the same. Let's see the overall energy for this particular area of your life is the overall energy of this connection right now, Libra. We have 10 of wands, 8 of wands, king of pentacles. Bottom of the deck is a judgment card. You guys are trying your best to not to escalate a situation towards burdensome and heavy energies. In fact, you guys are trying your best to keep things sorted, mature, and grounded as much as you can from your side. Okay, it's like one of those situations where maybe both of you are avoiding talking about those things that are actually very difficult to deal with in this particular dynamics, and you guys are feeling like, okay, let's be mature about it, let's be sorted about it, let's not make a big deal out of this is nothing, but it is actually, and it is making both of you feel a little bit uncomfortable and difficult to deal with kind of thing. Bottom of the deck is judgment. You guys are trying to release this heavy and burdensome and difficult to deal with kind of energies. You guys are trying your best to let go of these energies, but somehow they are here. You might be dealing with somebody who is quite mature, or you guys are having an age difference or something, so they might be taking things not so seriously about these burdensome and heavy energies, and you are kind of feeling very difficult to deal with kind of thing from your side. Okay, so one of you is cool and calm and composed and grounded. One and the other person is not able to understand it. They are feeling a little restless about it. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Libra. Okay, my love, come back. Six of Swords. This person is feeling like moving on towards calmer water. Maybe they are not trying to let it go or let you go, but they're definitely feeling like finding a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation right now by detaching themselves from the situation for the time being. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Swords here, Libra. We have Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and the Five of Cups. Okay, there are lots of ifs and buts and confusions and this and that going on in the situation. Things are quite up in the air, things are unstable, and that's hurting them, that's hurting you also. That's why this first person is feeling like right now they should detach from the situation as much as they can, and maybe come back around when things are going to be a little bit more easier to deal with. So this person is feeling like moving ahead, keeping moving ahead, and whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually, because it's right now very painful to deal with. Okay, there is a lot of things unsaid, unresolved, unexpressed. One of you is trying to play it cool, and the other person is not able to take it positively, and that's what's the struggle here. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Eight of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like putting in the effort and energy step by step. Like you feel like taking baby steps in this direction. And you feel like you should not waste your time, effort, and energy into something where you know you might not get anything good in return. So, baby steps, slow and steady. Okay. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles here, Libra. We have Knight of Cups, Four of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, you feel like you should work on this situation, and you should not express too much to this particular person. and whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually. You should keep your emotions to yourself, keep your feelings to yourself, and at the same time keep on investing in the situation also, but not too much. And whatever is supposed to happen between you guys will eventually unfold itself in the coming future. Okay, so you feel like putting in the effort and energy in the situation, but not showing too much, not expressing too much, and the divine will decide whatever can happen between you guys. Okay, this is what you feel. You are like, okay, invest but wisely, not too much, not too less, step by step. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? The moon. From your side, from their side, this person wants to, have a crystal clear clarity of what's going on. They want to get out of their fears and insecurities. They want to get out of this mysterious and secretive energies that's going on between you guys right now. Let's clarify the moon here. We have Five of Swords, Four of Swords, and Five of Pentacles. What is happening? This person is doomed. They are doomed. They are sad. They are depressed. They are insecure. They are in pain. I can't explain this to you. Five of Cups, Five of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles, the Moon. This person is totally doomed right now, or whosoever you're dealing with. They want to get out of their head, they want to rest and relax, and they definitely want to get out of this feeling lost in the outside world and in their inside world too. They don't know what they want, actually, to be honest with you. They don't know, they don't have any freaking idea about what they really, really, really want from you, from this connection, from themselves, because they are sad, they are depressed, they are right now in the negative spiral, downward spiral, and they're trying their best to just calm down and relax, but they're not able to. So all this person wants is clarity and healing in their life. They might take it as, in a physical world, they might take it as, oh my god, Libra is the one to blame here. But they know from inside that something is off in their interpersonal energies. It's not related to you directly. Something is off in general in their life that they need to completely and properly acknowledge and release and heal. Right. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Three of Wands. So from your side, you just want to keep moving forward in your life. You don't want to look back. You just don't want to invest in something where you're not going to get anything good in return. Okay? You just want to be very practical and logical here. You don't want to get your emotions involved and wasted. Okay. Let's clarify the Three of Wands here, Libra. We have the Moon card, the Three of Pentacles, and the Lovers. Yes, you don't want to operate in any kind of fear or insecurity or in any kind of confusing or bizarre kind of situation where somebody is, treating you as an option, or somebody is keeping you in the dark regarding a collaboration, partnership, coming together, coming back together, regarding the feelings, regarding the bond. So you definitely want to be somebody's number one priority, and if they are not able to do that, you want to just keep moving ahead in your life. It can be vice versa also, that you are not able to make someone the priority of your life. That is why you think like you should just let it go, because this is not good for either one of you. But you just want to keep moving forward in your life, and you don't want to look back, especially to those bonds or connections where you are not getting what you want in a clear and peaceful way. Okay. Okay, nobody's playing games here, but it seems like both of you are playing games with each other. It's not actually you are doing this, but it seems like it. From the outside world, if you're going to talk to somebody about it, they might point it like, okay, the other person is playing games with you, or you are manipulating them or something. But it's not like that actually. If you are getting my point here, honey? Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till what we have, my love. 11th of January, Libra. Nine of Pentacles. It's similar to Virgo energy here. You guys are going to be like, okay, let me just be with myself. Let me focus on myself. Money, job, career, finances, independence, freedom, and whatnot. Let me just be hyper independent. Just kidding. Let's clarify this. We have the Knight of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. You are going to start running away from the situation so hard, so badly. It's not even funny. You guys are going to be like, I can't handle this. Let me run away so far away from the situation that I don't even have to think about it. Because it's going to be too much difficult for you to manage or handle it. You guys are going to be like, okay, let me run away. This is not good for me. Just give me 1 second. So in the outcome, I do see that you guys will be running away from a difficult situation, and you guys will be choosing yourself over everything and everyone else. Not even yourself. You guys will be choosing money, job, career, finances, stability, and you're going to give it the name of, okay, this is the right thing to do, this is the very mature and practical thing to do, so let's do it. Okay, everything else, everyone else, I don't care about it. I'll think about it after 10 years. Let me be hyper independent and hyper focused on money or finances or stability or whatever you call it, business, whatever. See, whenever we are scared of our own emotions, this is what we do, and you're exactly doing it like the way I told you. We are humans, so it's fine, completely fine. But you have to come back to this shit show at some point of time, if not literally, emotionally, and being with awareness. Okay, let's see the guidance here, honey. Libra. We have 10 of Swords, 7 of Cups, 9 of Wands. You guys have to take a stand for yourself, no matter how badly it's going to hurt you or bother you. Until unless you guys are going to make a final choice or final decision and stick to that final choice or final decision of yours, you will not be able to find the peace and happiness that you're looking forward to have in your life, Libra. You guys have to cut the crap, completely cut the crap out of your life, out of your system. The on and off energies, the confusing energies, we are together, we are not together energies, we love each other, we don't love each other energies. If something or someone is not able to give you what you want, the crystal clear clarity, then it's time for you to say goodbye and never look back. Let it hurt, let it bother you for some time. Okay, that's how we grow as a person, as a soul. Don't run away from it. Running away from your emotions, running away from the situation and keeping it up in the air, it's not going to help you in any way. It's actually going to make things more complicated and difficult to deal with in the coming future. Even if you're going to leave the person, you're going to project these things on the other person, on the other relationship. So think about it and understand it properly and honestly, and then move forward. Okay, this is very, very important for you guys to understand it on a deeper level and take a stand for yourself. Whatever it is, whatever decision or choice you're going to make, stick to that. Even if it is going to hurt you or bother you, do the right thing here, Libra. Choose the right thing here. Okay, not running away. Running away is not the solution. Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular area of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind. Okay, and I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can like pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask a question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple and precise, and I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. जब से है देखा तुझको हो के गुलाम तेरे. So the answer to your question is no need to worry. Okay, you might be excessively worrying about something that you should not be worried about. Often there are situations that we fret and worry about even when they are out of our control. These situations can keep us up at night. The no need to worry card lets you know that even if things seem dark, a resolution and an easing will come. Worry will not improve anything, and dawn is just around the corner. That's what the answer is. If it is making sense, good. If it is not, leave it. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.